We worked with HEE to apply for some funding, through which we rolled out a series of training for new models of consultation. Now, what that entailed was to go around to several VTS schemes and actually educate trainees about the future models that general practice will now be encountering over the next few years. We covered 11 different schemes, in total training approximately 400 trainees through this educational program. As part of that training, what we went through what were the common forms of consultations, and that includes face-to-face, telephone, online consultations, as well as video consultations. And we got the VTS schemes to go through and experience and see how it felt like partaking in each of those different types of models. As well as this, we also got trainees to experience immersive learning techniques, and that was through the mode of using virtual reality as a way of teaching, and we got all trainees to experience that by using headsets to experience a series of learning events. We feel that this could really augment learning in the future, so that trainees and other healthcare staff potentially could learn through immersive reality to try to really enrich their teaching and learning experiences. The template and the blueprint that we've done across North Central East London can easily be replicated across the rest of London, in fact all across the country, and it's something that is really valuable for future generations of GPs, as well as any healthcare professional to partake in, to learn about what are the different models of consultation that we will be doing in future, as well as the different ways that we'll be experiencing learning and teaching in future as well.
The session today was really good. It was really informative. Got everyone just kind of thinking about where consultations are going in the future. It was really good also being able to practice the telephone and also the Skype sort of consultation styles. Got us all thinking really just how we can improve and just get ready for the future.
I really enjoyed this afternoon session. It was extremely informative. I learned so much about what's to come in kind of GP land in the future, which was really, really interesting. The whole cohort of GPs were really engaged, and I think everyone found it extremely interesting. I've taken a lot from this session, so thank you very much. It was really interesting.
It was like nothing we've ever had before at BTS. So it looks like the trainers are really at the forefront of some of these new technologies, so it was really interesting to find out about it. Particularly like the VR session. I didn't know that all of the applications for it, so it was great to find out that we might be using this in the future.
Session very interesting. As an ST3 GP trainee nearly finishing my training, it was really useful to see what other models of consultation were out there and where the future is for general practice, and then also thinking about different ways of working and different options available.
I found today's session very interactive, and it's very interesting to find out where technology is heading in GP consultation.
Really good today. I think technology is really important. I think a lot of young GP VTSs are interested in knowing how this works and want to get ahead. So I really enjoyed today's session, learned a lot, and I'm sure there'll be more of this to come as well.